So today I have this Toro push mower. It's got a 5 horsepower Suzuki 4-cycle motor. It is a model 26624. It has electric start. The battery would normally hook up under there. I'll hook up a car battery and show you how that works here. And throttle control, self-propelled speed control, and a lever to activate the blade and the self-propelled. So yeah, we'll hook up a battery, start this up, show you how it cuts. So I have my battery hooked up. Gonna try and give it a start here. Self-propelled. And if you engage the blade too quickly, it can stall it. Yeah. Alright, cool little lawnmower. Thanks for watching.